Today, I'll be changing the oil in this Honda CR-V. Your car doesn't always need a shop. Here's how to do basic maintenance yourself. Open the oil cap to allow the old oil to flow out smoothly and quickly by gravity. Raise the front end of the vehicle and secure it. Remove the undercar engine plate by turning the fastener's counterclockwise bolt. Prepare a trash can. Open the oil drain bolt. Drain the old oil completely. Wipe any excess oil from around the opening and off the drain bolt with a shop towel. Discard the old washer. Reinstall the drain bolt with a new washer. Tighten the drainage bolt. Next, replace the oil filter. First, use your filter wrench to loosen it a little bit. Allow the old oil to drain slowly. Prevent the oil stains from splashing. When the oil flow is almost complete, finish removing it by hand and pour the oil from the filter into the drain pan. Wipe down the area where the filter was threaded. Lubricate the new O-ring with fresh oil. Install the new filter. Set the torque wrench to 25 and tighten. When you hear the sound, release and stop. Clean up the oil stains and install the underbody guard plate. Refill the oil with the amount and type of oil recommended by the manufacturer. Close the oil cap. Wait a moment. Use the dipstick to check the oil level. Make sure it's within the recommended range. Don't overfill it.